whispers the blade ignites. Shadows dance in the scarlet lights. Echoes scream through the endless halls. Flesh and steel when darkness calls.
Sparks fly high with every touch. Viscera scattered, oh so much. Twisted symphony of the grind. Memories carved, left behind.
Feel the rhythm, the chainsaws roar. Heartbeat sink in a mortal core. Lives and dreams of frantic walls. No return from this darkened pulse. Steel meets bone in a fatal kiss. Moments missed, a mortal's bliss. Life's a canvas painted red by the maestro of the dead.